Well, it's not kickoff day as far as football is concerned, but it's definitely Father's Day, and it's a kickoff grill day. We're going to kick off grilling for the summer with my new Father's Day gift that I've got. It's the Lodge Kickoff Grill. So let's take and open this thing up and see what this is. Now, of course, naturally being Lodge, it's made in the United States, and it's heavy. Cast iron is heavy. Get this box out of the way here. And one thing I like about this kickoff grill already is it's two pieces. There's a base to it, which also where you place your charcoal. It comes with two handles and instructions, and then it has the grill part. Okay, there's nothing to bolt together. You just place the grill on top of the base. And what we'll do with the base, we've got our charcoal chimney started over here with some charcoal. We'll get this thing ready. I'm going to wash and clean this grill up and oil it down. We'll put our charcoal down, and we're going to get ready and grill some leg quarters, chicken leg quarters today. But I want to show you a couple things about this grill. Now, of course, like I said, it's made by Lodge, and it's made in the United States, made in Tennessee. Now, one thing about this grill, it has these things here that protrude up, which makes the actual draft door, in a sense, kind of like the Sportsman grill in a way. But what you do when you place this on here, you have these holes where you can get your draft for your charcoal to either get hotter, or once you close it off, it dampens it down and you can cool your charcoal down. So that's really cool. Now, this is a 12-inch kickoff grill, 12-inch grill base here, cooking surface. And so what we're going to do now, since we don't have to assemble anything, I'm going to take this the grill and go over and wash and clean it up, clean the dust off of it, and we'll be back here in just a minute. I'm going to oil it down with some good old bacon grease, if nothing else, and we're going to cook some leg quarters today. Okay, well, now that we've washed and cleaned off the grill top, I've got some bacon grease that I saved. Folks, don't throw your bacon grease away. It's so handy for so many things. And what we're going to do, I'm just basically going to take a paper towel and just kind of lightly oil this thing down a little bit, because that'll help us from our chicken thighs and our leg quarters from sticking. So we don't want to do that. And we've got our charcoal over here burning and ready to go. So now that we've got this grill top oiled down, let me put this oil up. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this charcoal chimney, and we're just going to place some charcoal on this grill base. Now, what you can do is use these handles to put your top on and to be able to move it around. You place this on top just like that. Now, when you have the handles matching up together, the draft doors are completely closed. So what you want to do is you want to, in order to have the draft doors open, you want to just rotate it clockwise, and that will open the doors and allow the charcoal to get hotter. And so now that we have real hot charcoal, I'm going to close it off a little bit, and we're going to grab our chicken thighs. Okay, well, we got our charcoal in here, and I actually added a little bit more. I used the whole chimney in here. And what you have to do with the Lodge Kickoff grill is you really need to preheat this grill top. And so we've done that with our charcoal. We got plenty of charcoal in there. And I went and got my chicken. Now here's my leg quarters, and they've been marinating all night long. So I'm just going to lay them on here. Really, I really need to lay them skin side down, but I'll do one skin side down and one skin side up. So anyway, we're going to let these cook for a little while, and we'll be back here in just a little bit and show you what these look like. Okay, we got our leg quarters on here, and I've already flipped one over. I'm going to show you this one here. Oh yeah, it's starting to get some good color on that skin, and we'll let these cook. Now I've got my draft door almost completely open so the charcoal will be real hot, because I want to get a good sear mark on this chicken. You always want a good sear on either chicken or steak. That way it'll sear the juices inside your meat, and your meat will be so much more tender when you do that. Now, as we get a little further along, I may close the damper door down a little bit just to cool the heat down. But as you can see, we're really starting to get some good color on these marinated leg quarters. Now, what I marinated this in, I marinated it for overnight, basically probably 12 hours or so or better. But what I've been into here lately is using Worcestershire sauce as a marinade. It makes a good sauce, but it also makes a good marinade. And so we marinated our chicken leg quarters in Worcestershire sauce. And as you can see, it's starting to get a real good, pretty brown tan color to it. And so we're going to let it continue to cook. We're going to use our InstaRead thermometer here in a little bit to make sure our chicken comes out to temperature, because you sure don't want raw chicken. I mean, that's for sure. And we're only running about 65 degrees right now. And so, you know, we need to be about 160, 165 on our chicken. So we got a good ways to go. We'll be back here in a little bit, let this thing cook, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, well, it's been about 20 or 25 minutes, and we've got our chicken thighs, our leg quarters here. I want to take my InstaRead thermometer and check one of them. Yeah, that one's 170, and it's rising, 173, so it's good. The leg, it's just continuing to rise, but we definitely want to be about 165 on all these. They're definitely a lot hotter than that. This one here is getting close, so we're gonna, I added a third one while you were gone, and I've got some more charcoal that I'm heating up because I may have to add some more charcoal, because we got more chicken to cook than just what's on the grill here. But anyway, I need to go ahead and get this one pulled off here. And only thing bad about marinating chicken or steak or whatever and grilling it is the sugar content in it will make it burn a little bit, and that's what we've got here. We got a little bit of char here, but look at that juice run off of that. I mean, it's just dripping off of it. Clear, 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 clear. That's what we need. So anyway, we're going to go ahead, we're going to finish cooking these. I got a little bit more chicken to put on here, and we just wanted to show you this Lodge Kickoff Grill. And you know, it's certainly kickoff time for the grilling season. And if you're just a couple people that like to cook out, you know, you can cook out on a fire pit like this. You can cook out on a tailgate if it's a sporting event or whatever. Take it anywhere you want, on a balcony, in an apartment or whatever. But the Lodge Kickoff Grill, you know, it's pretty handy, and we enjoy it so far. It's a Father's Day gift for me. I'm going to get ready and finish this chicken, and we're going to enjoy that today. So you guys have a happy Father's Day from Mr. and Mrs. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.